So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first we're going to expand HK local machine, and then we're going to expand system, and then we're going to expand current control set, and then you want to expand control, and then you want to click on class. Just left click on it once, and then you want to click on edit, and then click on find. And now this will come up. Now I'm going to leave something down below in the description. So for the keyboard fix, you just want to copy and paste this right here. It's going to be down below in the description. So just copy this, paste it in the find what tab, and then click on find next. And now all this should come up. You're going to have something called Upperfilters. I've already made it right here. And it should say under data, kbdclass, like it says right here. But in case if it does not say that, that's fine. We're just going to create a new one. So I'm just going to delete this so I just don't confuse you guys. So I'm just going to delete this. And we're just going to create it right now. But if you already have it, then you can just keep it. And now to create it, you want to right click on the folder that's been highlighted, the one that's 4D36E96B. You want to right click on this, and then you want to click on new, and then click on multi-string value. And now we're just going to rename this as Upperfilters. So you just want to right click on this, click on rename, and then type in Upperfilters, and then click on enter. And now once you have Upperfilters, you want to right click on it, and then click on modify. And then you want to paste this right here, kbdclass. Just paste this, copy this and paste it right here, and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. And now this should resolve your keyboard problems. And now for the mouse problems, you want to click on class on the top left, click on the class folder, and then you want to click on edit, and then click on find. Now you want to delete what's in this box called find what, just delete all this. Now we're going to go back to the notepad, and now you want to paste in this one, under the mouse registry key. Just paste it right here, and then click on find next. And we're going to do the same thing. You want to find Upperfilters. If you do not have it, I'm just going to delete it for this tutorial. You want to right click on the folder that's been highlighted called 4D36E96F. You want to right click on this, and then click on new, and then click on multi-string value. And now we're just going to paste this right here, Upperfilters. We're going to rename it as this. And now you just want to right click on Upperfilters, click on modify, and then you want to paste this mouclass. Copy and paste this into the value data, and then click on OK. Click on OK again. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.